Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rsync for incremental VPS backups step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS through SSH. Use your preferred terminal application. Log into your VPS with your username and password. Update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Install Rsync if it's not already installed. On Debian-based systems, execute sudo apt install Rsync. For Red Hat-based systems, run sudo yum install Rsync. Create a directory to store your backups. You can do this by using the command dir/backups. Decide what files or directories you want to back up. You can specify a single file or a whole directory. Next, craft your Rsync command for the backup. The basic syntax is rsync delete source /destination /. Replace source with the path to your files and destination with your backup directory. Add the delete option if you want to remove files in the destination that are no longer in the source. To create an incremental backup, use the link dest option. For example, rsync link dest equals previous _backup _source destination /. This will create hard links for unchanged files, saving space. Run your rsync command to perform the backup. Check the output to ensure there are no errors. To automate the process, consider using cron jobs. Open your cron tab with the command cron tab e. Add a new line for your backup schedule. For daily backups at 2 a.m., write 02 **** rsync delete source /destination /. Save and exit the cron tab editor. Your incremental backups are now scheduled to run automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.